Hello, good evening, everybody. So today I'll be making a video of where the market might be heading in the next couple of weeks. So my basic analysis consists of the Nifty Bank and the Nifty 50 index and the top 10 index heavyweights of our country. So right now, what I'm seeing on the charts is an extreme strong bullish movement, and the ADX, which is the strength of the trend, is slowly beginning to increase every day. So which basically means the uptrend is increasing day by day. So Bank Nifty, if the 20,900 mark persists on the Bank Nifty, and you see a bounce from there, or if you see a bounce on Monday or anywhere next week, you can go for long positions with targets of 24,000, which is another 10% from the current levels. And on the Nifty is looking more bullish than the Bank Nifty. So if you can see this trend lines which I've drawn, right? So these are the trend lines where when the price comes near these trend lines, you got to be buying into the indexes. So Nifty has an even sharper up move, and we made a new monthly high on the Nifty. Sorry, the new 5 month high on the Nifty, which was at 10,622, and then you saw a minor dip on Friday, but it's looking very strong. So on Monday, what you can see is if you get a slight dip into it, aggressively buy into it, keep a small stop loss, and always keep a stop loss when you trade. By the way, so keep a small stop loss and buy into it. The odds are obviously on your favor if you look at the charts. So the strength of this move is very strong. So if you are new to the markets and you want to know what to buy right now, there are certain stocks which you can buy right from Monday. One very bullish stock is Bharti Airtel. So Airtel is has given a very good up move of about 70% in the last 4 months, and it had corrected 12% last month or so. So right now you're seeing a lower bottom, I mean a higher bottom and a higher top, a higher bottom and a lower top formation, which means that the market has gone into a squeeze, and the bears and the bulls are not able to decide where the market is going to go. So what I did, I drew a trend line which got broken on Friday, which means that the bearish momentum might be over. But the confirmation of the bearish movement getting over is when the stock tips the 590 level. So if the stock goes above 590 level, the bearish momentum is officially over. You can see the stock going up to 600 levels. And on the long term, if it tips this level, on the long term, you can get a nice 30 or 40% up move on this stock, which will give you a very nice profit. So Bharti Airtel is looking really positive for now. Another stock which I'm extremely bullish on is ITC. So ITC, this is a classical inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a very bullish signal for the market. So ITC has officially broken out of this pattern and is looking to make new highs. So you can see a 14% up move on ITC. All what I'm saying is a probability. I may go wrong. Trading is a game of probabilities, and keep a strict stop loss. Let your profits run big and cut your losses short. That's basically the mantra for trading. So right now, what we are seeing is a very bullish momentum on the stock, and it made a fresh breakout. And if it takes out the Monday's 31st 30-minute high, which is going to get created on Monday, if it takes that level out, you can go aggressively long on the stock. If you're already bullish, already have long positions on the stock, you can add more lots. I already bought one lot on Friday, and I'll be looking to buy another two if my if 208 levels are broken. Right now, it's trading at 207.55. So, so one more very bullish stock you can look to buy into right now is obviously Reliance. Reliance has rallied from 800 to 1,800 in the past 4 months, so that's more than 100% up move. So whoever bought Reliance in March would be sitting on a handsome profit right now. So right now, what the charts are saying on Reliance is it had made a breakout of this It's called a cup and handle pattern. It made a breakout of this pattern and it rallied 7% from here. I was lucky to catch this move. So once again, I exited my positions at about somewhere around 1760 levels, where I thought Reliance had topped out. But what has happened right now? It went into a consolidation period for the last 1 week, and again broke out of the consolidation. So right now, if you hit a small dip on Reliance, which could be 1%, look to buy on this trend line which I drew right here. You look to buy on a 30 point dip on Reliance, or if it breaks the first 30 minutes high on money, look to buy. You can have a target of 2000 rupees on Reliance. That's a 200 point up move right here, which would give you a very nice profit. So where a view goes wrong, where a view goes opposite on the stock is once the down trend line is broken, the bottom trend line is broken. That once this is broken, the market may go into a heavy consolidation or sideways market, or maybe even bearish. So right now, Reliance is bullish. Be long on the stock. Whoever has existing positions, look to add on to the positions you already have. So one more stock is HDFC Limited. So HDFC Limited was in a range for a couple of weeks, a very strong range, and had made a breakout of this range on a Friday. So which indicates that the whole market has broken out. Different areas of the market is broken out on Friday. If you can see the FMCG sector, the auto sector, all these sectors which carry the index heavyweights have made slight breakouts. A couple of stocks in on those sectors have made breakouts. So if you see a dip on Monday, you'll see a very small dip which you can aggressively buy into, and right now be long on the market. The place where our view goes opposite on the market is where when Nifty dips below the 10,400 mark. If Nifty dips below the 10,400 mark, you can square off all your long positions, and you don't have to turn bearish. You can not be bullish on the Nifty if it dips the 10,400 mark. You may go into a sideways market for a couple of months if that happens. But right now, there's no sign of it, and the bulls are looking very strong. The main reason the bulls are looking very strong is that there are very few buyers right now, and you may ask me if there's a very few buyers right now. Why the market is going up? See, the main thing is most of the market participants are short right now. They have many short positions in the system. So and the bulls right now very strong. Whoever the bulls are very strong. So every day we're creating new 5 month highs, um, new 4 month highs, and many people are saying this is just a bear market rally, but it doesn't look like one right now. So what you could so basic the market is just rising even if when the coronavirus cases are rising. So the market is making a mockery out of the current economic situation. So don't try shorting the market just because the general public is doing it. There are many shorts in the system, and if we are going up to 11,000 levels, it's going to be the bears which take us to 11,000 levels, not the bulls, because all the bears are going to cover their shorts and going to take us all the way up to 11,000. And the bulls, there are very few bulls, and but the strength of the bulls are very strong. The bears on the other side are the bears are confused, and whenever the market makes new highs, they are aggressively covering the short positions, and again the market makes a new high. So till everyone turns positive on the market, be bullish on the market. So once everyone gets optimistic on our stock market, that's when we're going to top out, and that's when you're going to see another correction coming in. So till then, be bullish, make good money. Don't short the market right now. 10,400 is where you can keep your stop loss. If you're going long on any stock, keep 10,400 on the index as a stop loss. You can go for targets of 11,000 or 11,200, which is a good risk to reward ratio. You're getting 1:3 or 1:2. So that's how you got to be playing the game of trading. So that's about it for this video.